Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how you can change your username on Words of Wonders. So let's get started. First of all, open the Words of Wonders app on your device. Now you can see your profile icon on the bottom of your screen on the left side. Tap on it, then tap on your username again. Next, select the edit icon and then make changes to your username. Once you're done, tap on the OK button. And that's it. This is how you can change your username on Words of Wonders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.